Still managing leads manually? You're losing valuable customers every single day. Watch as leads flow automatically. Facebook lead ads through Zapier into Google Sheets. Your CRM, email and WhatsApp alerts. All in real time. Everything happens automatically. Google Sheets updates instantly. CRM receives new contacts. Email and WhatsApp alerts are sent. APIs connected. Webhooks triggered. I integrate Facebook lead ads, website forms, Google Sheets, CRM systems, email alerts, APIs, webhooks, Zapier, Make.com, and N8N automation. Save time. Increase conversions. Never miss a lead again. Your business grows with automation that works around the clock. Automate your lead management today. Message me to get started.